Captain Marvel. Power of energy projection.
Become a vacuum cleaner.
Captain Marvel. The Winter Soldier.
Become a vacuum cleaner.
Iron Man. With his genius-level armor.
Become a vacuum cleaner.
Moon Knight. Power comes from Egyptian moon.
Become a vacuum cleaner.
Batman. Power of peak human abilities.
Become a vacuum cleaner.
Aquaman. King of Atlantis.
Become a vacuum cleaner.
Deadpool. With his expert combat skills.
Become a vacuum cleaner.
Princess Frozen. Power of controlling ice.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Become a vacuum cleaner.
More incredible. Power of destroy anything.
Become a vacuum cleaner.
Verzoni. Power of freeze anything.
Become a vacuum cleaner.
Green Lantern. Power of creates anything.
Become a vacuum cleaner.
Spider-Man. Power of spider sense.
Become a vacuum cleaner.
Silver Surfer. Power of space travel.
Become a vacuum cleaner.
Wolverine. A powerful mutant.
Become a vacuum cleaner.
Superman. Power of superhuman strength.
Become a vacuum cleaner.
Ant-Man. Power of shrink and grow.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Become a vacuum cleaner. Thanks for watching this video.